Hi guys, I'm in Walmart. I'm here to pick up something, a battery for a smoke detector. I'm very distracted by the plants, so I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you what they have. Everything behind me. This loud ass fan over there. I have my AirPods on, but I don't know if it's picking up my voice. I know you all said you like it better when you can hear my voice. Look at that growth. Lots of succulent and cacti. I feel like these are all just leftovers. These may be new, I'm not sure. It's like these, you can see they've been here for a while. They're burnt out, leaves all over them. Mini $2 succulents by Costa Farms. Better Home and Gardens, grown by Costa Farms. $24.96 for these succulent arrangements. I always like these because they're furry. I've grown one of these before, but it didn't last. I was making it a little too wet. That one dried out. So it looks like these have been here for a while, I guess. As you can see, they're fully stocked. So over here, it looks like we have some old plants. Are they on clearance? No clearance prices, but the hard pots are $25. Anything in this looks like it's $16. Bromeliads. This is a Ficus Audrey. Ficus Audrey for $15. Beautiful. Oh, this is a pretty pot. I always like the terracotta color. As you can see, dust. Peace lilies, snake plants, fiddle leaf fig tree things. The polka dot begonias. Begonia maculata. Dracaenas. More dracaenas. I was gonna say, I can't tell who that is, but I think that's a Dieffenbacher. What is it called? Oh. Yeah, Dieffenbach. Ow. There goes that plant stabbing me. This is the one I have at home. The yucca cane that completely pokes me up every time I walk past it. Lucky bamboo. Some type of flower. This looks like it smells really good. Mini rose bushes. I actually want one of these. $7. Probably left over from Valentine's Day. Some hanging planters. I think they're pansies. Let's go over here. More blooming things. This looks like it has a palm in there with it. Oh, and some philodendron. Interesting. Roses for outside. A really interesting planter. Oh, this isn't real. This is real. This is, for some reason, they have a little fake leaf in it. You can tell that's real. Tea plant. Had one of these. It ended up looking like this because they like tropical climates or environments inside of your home. More dracaenas. Lots of burnt out plants. Large foliage. I think these are the yucca trees. There's some cacti, succulent, sun-loving plants. The aloe veras actually look pretty nice. I like this one. Oh, I thought it was in the clear thing. But yeah, $4.78 for pretty healthy aloe vera. ZZ plants. You can see there, I think they're the rhizomes showing. cactus down there, or cacti. Large foliage. I like that they keep it packed up. Here's a little compact small monstera. This one looks like it'd be nice to take home. Large foliage. $19.97. So yeah, $20 for this. That's not bad. Definitely, I think it needs more sun. It doesn't have any fenestrations. Maybe because it's just not mature enough. You can see these are very mature. Look at that one. More small plants. This I could do kind of like a big overview. Lots of small plants. Most of these are like $10, $19. These look like they were the global greens. Oh my gosh. Are they on clearance? I feel like you could save. Like this one, it still has pieces that could be saved in it. But I think it's probably getting, I don't know. How would y'all diagnose that? Is this a little too wet? Is it getting too much sun? Is it too warm in here? Oh my goodness. Unrecognizable. The Birkins seem to be, or the philodendron Birkins seem to be doing good down here. Here's the philodendron Sebi Blue, I believe they're called. I actually want one of these, but I want one that's like super healthy. This one seems to be okay. Fern. $16 for this small ZZ plant. Pretty big. It's medium. Yeah. I'm gonna help you up, sis, because you look like you've been laying down for a while. I'm very mature though. It's dried out. Ooh, a hidden good. See, they have them so packed up you can't even see. But yeah, they have the burgundy ficus back here. This is the one I currently have at home. I may insert a clip. I can't tell if I'm burning the leaves or if it's just the right amount of sunlight. I have it super close to the window though. Rose bush, probably left over from Valentine's Day. So pretty. Yeah, anthurium left over from Valentine's Day. I feel like they just put these plants out here and like never return again, you know? I'm probably gonna go to Lowe's after this. Since my last video was about Lowe's, I probably won't record. Somebody dropped their flowers here and decided to get a plant. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna record in Lowe's. Who knows? Yeah, this is just a nice Saturday morning. Oh my God, look at all of these. They look really healthy. They're so pretty and green. They still have some of the heart-shaped hoyas left over. This one actually looks like it's going to grow. This one looks kind of sad. I'm about to look and see if this is what it's supposed to look like, if it's going to grow. If so, I'm probably going to take this one home. This is just like a big succulent mess. Things like this make you want to just be like, yo, I'll come work here if you just keep me in the garden center, and I'll help all these plants live, because clearly this is embarrassing, Walmart. Look at this. This is embarrassing. So we're at Lowe's. The sun totally. We're at Lowe's right there, and there's hella people here. Hopefully the garden center is not too packed, and we're gonna see what they have. So let's go do that. It's my second day of my cycle, so I'm like, bleh, 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 bleh. Creeping Purple Heart, Sabrina Pendula for $17. As you can see, they have tons of them. Variegated spider plants. This one has babies already. It's pretty empty in here in comparison to the West Coast and like down south in Texas. Out there they have their garden centers like packed. What is this? Just some pothos. Epherium aurum. Is that how you say it? As you can see, they have really nice big leaves. The birds are here today. The typical live trend section with the succulents on the end cap. These little mini trees look really cool. And the planters. Lowe's exclusive, $19. Not sure what type of tree that is. It looks like some type of like compact money tree. Marble Snow Queen pothos. And then we have some hanging planters up here. More of the Snow Queen, Marble Queen. I always get those confused. I was like, what is this? It's peperomia, but it's rotted out right there. This is always a vibe. I think they're like, yeah, $17. Right now, I'm telling you, the best bet is to just propagate what you have, because these prices are intense. I'm not really looking for anything today. Like I said, I just wanted to get some footage, see what's out here. I'm feeling, oh, this is beautiful. I'm feeling like I should take a break from the plant shopping. Because, let's see what's in there. It's pretty redundant right now. When I go out of town, I do see a lot of different things, but if I'm just going to the same stores in Charlotte and surrounding areas, I don't really find much. Ponytail palm. That's definitely not a ponytail. I think that's like a sago, my dream plant, the sago palm or something like it. The syngoniums look really healthy. Pretty. Gold baby ivy. Lots of hanging planters. The wick and grow. I like the wick and grow. This is basically like you come, never worry about too much water. You water your plant as you need to. Put the pot, extra water. Use a pot that holds extra water for wick, I guess. Okay. And let your plant water itself, so. Yeah. There's a succulent in there. How'd you get in there? There is music playing in here, so. I don't know. Hopefully my AirPods aren't picking up the music. I know it's picking up that loud ass bird though. I know for sure. There's those like basketball like planters that I've seen. I don't know why they remind me of basketballs. Very much the same old plants. Nothing is really sticking out. This Raven ZZ looks really nice. I'm pretty sure it's like $20. Whoa, that's big. 15-gallon foliage for $15. Oh, that's nice. Look at the roots already coming out. Nice established mature plant. Yeah. This is a pretty like lackluster. Ooh. This isn't lackluster. If you're new here, my favorite plant is a snake plant, and I do collect them, so I don't have that one. I think it's like some type of Zylindrica, maybe rubia cross. Who knows? Getting technical sometimes takes the fun out of it. There's tons of other people looking at them, so I'm gonna try not to get them on camera. This is thirsty. I like this one too, like the super green bird's nest. There's no really good hanging planters. This golden pothos, the one for $16. This is cute. Looks like it needs lots of humidity. No Hoyas. Is that the Chevy Blue? Kangaroo paw fern. No. Kangaroo paw fern. Yeah. What is that? Ingrid is Ivy. Yeah, they don't have anything that interests me today. Little baby succulents. The sago palm. There's like a nest. They're still alive. Little small ones. Oh, I can't understand why there's not clearance stickers on these plants. I got one of these for $4. I think I was still in town, maybe out of town, I don't remember, but yeah. Clearance plants that should be in clearance but aren't. Green pothos, Dracaenas. All of these are like, how much? All of these are $15. Bromeliads. I actually need to replant the babies on my bromeliads. Yucca cane, large Dracaena, Majesty palm, big Majesty palm. I guess these are some new arrivals. Ivies and figs and pothos and ferns. No Hoyas. Lots of sago palms. Ooh. String of bananas. For $13. That's a good price. Last spring I totally took that one out, so I'm gonna leave that here. I do like these though. Didn't know they were hanging type. And I still have their Valentine's Day selection. I'm like, what is this? Every holiday is Halloween to me. Yeah. There's like nothing here. This is cute though. And like that, the shopping trip is over.
Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire-breathing conversation.